So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And the list of all the ingredients and their measurements are going to be at the bottom of my video. And so I'll just focus on cooking right now. And so a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter is just optional. If you don't want to add, you don't have to add. You can add ghee if want to do that. You can even do that. Or you can make this whole recipe in ghee instead of olive oil or butter. So I'm going to add the cumin seeds and a bit of coriander seeds. So I'm going to saute both of them together. Let them sizzle a little bit, and then we're going to add the onions. We don't want to brown the cumin and the coriander seeds too much, because otherwise it gives a burnt taste. So I think I might increase it to 9. Now that the onions are slightly, I'm not going to brown them. I'm just kind of getting them slightly soft, and I don't know if you can see the onions. They don't have any golden color at this point. So I'm going to add some chopped colored peppers. The colored peppers give a nice flavor to them. And we're going to saute all of this together, because we're going to have to saute them for a minute or so, a minute or two, to have them become a little softer. I think 9 heat point seems to be doing okay. Maybe we can increase it to 10, but I'm not going to do it. I don't want them to burn. So now I have a little bit of garlic and some ginger. I'm going to put that, and I have 1 slit green chili, and that is absolutely optional. You don't have to add that, but I just put it for flavor. So to let the ginger and the garlic saute also together nicely. Now I'm going to add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Everything is pretty much the similar size. The onions, the peppers, the tomatoes, and you will see the cottage cheese, the paneer also will be in a kind of a similar size. I like to keep it's the same size. It looks good, and it cooks evenly also. So now that I have added the tomatoes, I'm going to add all the dry spices. And again, the list of all these dry spices will be underneath the video, all the measurements and the names, and also optional spices, if you don't want to add any of them, will be also written. Okay, going to add Just a little bit of water here. Good. Now I'm going to add the paneer and half of the chopped fresh cilantro. It's a really quick paneer sabji. It's a home style Kadai Paneer. Once you have everything, all the ingredients all set up and chopped, it doesn't take much time to cook. This is the easiest. That's a favorite in my house. So I'm going to simmer this. I'm going to reduce the heat to maybe say 5 and let it simmer for a while. Let's see. Yep, it's doing really good. It's coming along really well. So yeah, I'm going to simmer it a little bit more and have once you see the oil oozing out of the this vegetables, the whole concoction, then you know that the sabji, the vegetable that you're cooking is ready. So you don't want the oil completely separated, but just a little bit of oozing out of the vegetables. Looks, yeah, you can see the oil coming out. Yeah, yep, you can see the oil coming out. It's almost done, maybe a couple more minutes. Yeah, now see, you can see, I don't know if you can see the oil coming out of the curry. You can, yeah, you can see the oil oozing out. Yep. This is done, and it's okay. I'm just going to garnish it with cilantro and just keep it aside. It's all done. And serve it once you're ready to eat. So I'm going to shut this.